Today we were installing a hot tub supply from scratch. As usual with hot tubs, we had a whole manufacturer's list of instructions to install requiring the right RCBO, the cable size, the sub-consumer unit and all that sort of stuff, so that's what we followed. But obviously with applying our own electrical knowledge as well. We had very little space to install the sub-consumer unit, but there was just about enough, so we had to add some additional batten on here to get the extra width we needed for fixings really. Had this bit of 2x2 which was almost perfect, but we needed this little extra strip on top just to create the right depth so it was level all the way across. Got it fixed in temporarily just to make sure it was level and tight, but then we had to take it back off just to get our stuffing glands and SWA glands back into it. Little tip, always put the cover back on temporarily just to check that it doesn't catch anything before you go through the whole job and realise you've ballsed it up. While I was there I connected to tails and got that bit done as well, but then we moved on to getting the armoured cable in. Had to drill inside out annoyingly, so there was a bit of a brick blowout, but if you're careful enough and you can find the pieces, you can piece it back together again. So we had our best go at that. Shouldn't look too bad once the adhesive is dry, as we managed to find all the pieces and put them back together. And while we were at it, we siliconed the inside as well, just to fill up the hole on both sides. Next, it was terminating the SWA internally. There was two of us, so while I was doing this bit, the other chap was doing the fixings outside and running the cable all down the alleyway and off to where it needed to be. All the little procedures here, tightening up the SWA gland and then making sure we had a whisker spring on the inside to earth the SWA as well. Going back to the earth rod on this one, we decided not to put one in, and the reasoning behind it was the hot tub itself was actually mounted on a wooden base all the way around as well, so there was nowhere where the person would actually be stepping out onto earth itself, it would be onto the woodwork. And also I specifically phoned the manufacturer to find out the construction material of the product, and it was fiberglass all the way around as well, so there was no point of contact there either. I'd sat and mulled this over and planned quite a lot prior to the job anyway, but because I'm a bit of a nerd, I did phone technical and double check, and thankfully they agreed with me with all my reasoning. But I know everyone always has an opinion regarding hot tubs and earth rods, so if you'd have done things differently, just let us know. As I've been rambling, you can see that we connected up the isolator, make sure we cleared up all the mess down the side of the alleyway, and left them with a tail, as they always request, to connect into the hot tub when it's delivered. I'm extra happy as well because I found a new spot for Henry in the van, which means I don't have to hate him every second of every day. So good news there. Other than that, it was the final tidy up, running through the testing as well because they want the paperwork before they connect it up. And then that was us done. Very happy customer and another job done from us. Follow us for more.